Oh no! Are you kidding? There we go. There we go. That's a good one. Come on. No, don't run. There we go. Good looking bass. There we go. I felt something smacking at it. Come on. There we go. It's number 2. Oh, that's a good one right there. Good gosh. There he is. Come on. There you go, run again. Ooh, whoa, check that out. No wonder. A little smalley if I don't fall here. Gone. I tell you, this hole, it's a really good hole. That's 3 right there. And get another one. That was a good little fighter right there too. I'd say it's a couple pounds. There we go. Oh no, 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 no. Alright. That's a good hit too. See if I can get that again. There we go. There we go. Not as big as the last one, but a fish is a fish. Come on. Another smallmouth. A little dink, but they count. There you go. There we go. And it's not a big one, but it's a fish. Come on, it's swimming toward me, and then all of a sudden it wants to put up a fight. There we go. Nice little bass. It's not too bad. Oh no! Are you kidding? Look at that, man. You seen the bass, and it completely broke off the hook, the weight, and he's rolling downstream. I'm sorry about that, little fish guy. Broke off. Wow. So, well, the one that got away. So I've got me a new hook on here. And again, man, that's all I've been using is just that drab colored 3-inch crawl line. It's done very well. And I'm gonna say that the half that I had earlier plus that half, you know, I literally had that fish. So I'm gonna say that one count. At least I'd like to say count. It's a good bass. Old bass, he'll rub up against a rock or something and he'll get rid of the hook pretty quick. There we go. Man, it'd be nice if that was the same one. If it is not. Little red eye. There we go. Always a good species to catch. Pretty too. Nice little red eye. Well, guys, man, I appreciate you guys tuning in to another one of my videos, no doubt. Make sure you like the video for me, help me out. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Check out my bait line at take2fishing.com or take2baits.com. You can email me at take2fishing@gmail.com with any special requests as far as orders go. Love building custom drugs for jigs and chatters. So man, I appreciate you guys. Come along for the ride. See you next time.